Most diabetics know the drill. Watch your sugar intake. Fruits, while natural, contain sugar. But what about citrus fruits? Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, they're health icons. Can these zesty delights really pose a threat to diabetics? Not all citrus fruits are created equal in managing diabetes. Some pack a bigger sugary punch, spiking blood sugar. This is the citrus paradox, the misleading nature of these fruits. We often perceive citrus fruits as healthy and refreshing. They're promoted for their vitamin C content, often linked to boosting immunity. But for diabetics, the sugar content of these fruits needs a closer look. While natural sugars are still sugars, and their impact on blood glucose levels cannot be ignored. Consider this: a medium orange contains about 12 grams of sugar, while a cup of grapefruit juice can contain a whopping 25 grams. These numbers can quickly add up, especially when consumed in excess, leading to unwanted blood sugar spikes. For diabetics, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial to managing the condition and preventing complications. Therefore, understanding the nuances of different citrus fruits and their respective sugar content is vital for diabetics. It's not about eliminating these fruits entirely, but about making informed choices. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore the science behind this, examine specific citrus fruits, and discuss healthier alternatives and dietary recommendations. Citrus fruits, despite their vibrant colors and refreshing taste, harbor a secret sugar. This sugar can wreak havoc on blood glucose levels, particularly for diabetics. Imagine biting into a juicy orange, expecting a vitamin C boost, but triggering a rapid rise in blood sugar. This is the citrus conundrum, the unexpected impact of these seemingly harmless fruits. The key is moderation and informed choices. Not all sugars are created equal. The glycemic index (GI) ranks foods by how quickly they raise blood sugar. High GI foods cause rapid spikes, while low GI foods result in a slower increase. For diabetics, choosing low GI foods is crucial. Citrus fruits have mixed GI scores. Oranges and grapefruits have moderate GI, while pineapple is high GI. Managing blood sugar involves mindful GI choices. Section 3. Fructose, friend or foe. Fructose, a type of sugar abundant in fruits, including citrus fruits, adds another layer of complexity to the diabetes discussion. While naturally occurring, fructose is metabolized differently than glucose, the body's primary energy source. Unlike glucose, which is readily used by cells, fructose is primarily processed by the liver. Excessive fructose intake, particularly in the form of sugary drinks and processed foods, has been linked to insulin resistance, a key driver of type 2 diabetes. While whole citrus fruits contain fiber, which slows down sugar absorption, their fructose content still warrants attention, especially for individuals with diabetes. This doesn't mean fructose is the enemy. The key is moderation and choosing whole fruits over fruit juices, which lack fiber and can lead to rapid sugar spikes. By understanding the role of fructose in diabetes development and management, individuals can make informed choices to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Section 4. Beyond glucose. The broader impact of citrus on diabetics. The impact of citrus fruits on diabetes extends beyond their sugar content. Citrus fruits are generally low in calories and fat and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients offer various health benefits, including improved heart health, digestion, and immune function, all of which are crucial for individuals with diabetes. Furthermore, some studies suggest that certain compounds found in citrus fruits, such as flavonoids, may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties could potentially benefit individuals with diabetes by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to diabetes complications. However, it's crucial to remember that these potential benefits shouldn't overshadow the importance of blood sugar control. While enjoying the nutritional perks of citrus fruits, moderation and careful monitoring of blood glucose levels remain paramount for individuals with diabetes. Section 5. Understanding your limits, a personalized approach. Navigating the world of citrus fruits with diabetes requires a personalized approach. What works for one individual may not work for another, highlighting the importance of understanding your body's unique response to different foods. Factors like genetics, activity level, and overall diet play a significant role in how your body processes sugar. Keeping a food diary and monitoring your blood sugar levels after consuming citrus fruits can provide valuable insights into your individual tolerance. This self-monitoring allows you to identify which fruits, and in what quantities, cause significant blood sugar fluctuations and adjust your dietary choices accordingly. Remember, managing diabetes is not about deprivation, but about making informed choices that support your overall health and well-being. By paying attention to your body's signals and working closely with your healthcare provider, you can enjoy the goodness of citrus fruits while keeping your blood sugar in check. When zest turns bitter, citrus and diabetes complications. Diabetes is complex, with far-reaching complications. The real danger lies in long-term damage from high glucose levels. This is where the citrus conundrum takes a serious turn. Certain citrus fruits, due to their high glycemic index, might contribute to complications. Frequent blood sugar spikes from high GI citrus fruits could accelerate damage. This damage can manifest as retinopathy, neuropathy, heart disease, and stroke. It's about understanding their impact and consuming them wisely. Oxidative stress fanning the flames of diabetes. Oxidative stress, an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, is a significant contributor to diabetes complications. High blood sugar levels can fuel this imbalance, leading to cellular damage and inflammation. While citrus fruits are generally known for their antioxidant properties, some studies suggest a paradoxical effect in the context of diabetes. The culprit? Fructose. As mentioned earlier, fructose is metabolized differently than glucose, and excessive intake can lead to oxidative stress, particularly in individuals with diabetes. This paradoxical effect highlights the importance of moderation and choosing whole citrus fruits over juices, which lack fiber and can lead to rapid fructose absorption. This doesn't mean citrus fruits are inherently harmful. The key takeaway is balance. Enjoying these fruits as part of a balanced diet, while controlling overall fructose intake and managing blood sugar levels effectively, can help mitigate the risk of oxidative stress and its associated complications. The kidney connection. A citrus conundrum? The kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste products from the blood, and diabetes can significantly impact their function. Diabetic nephropathy or kidney damage is a serious complication that can lead to kidney failure. Interestingly, some studies suggest a potential link between citrus fruit consumption and kidney health in individuals with diabetes. Grapefruit, in particular, has been a subject of interest. Some studies indicate that compounds in grapefruit may interfere with certain medications, including those used to manage diabetes and high blood pressure, potentially impacting kidney function. However, more research is needed to understand this interaction fully. While this connection requires further investigation, it underscores the importance of individualized dietary advice for diabetics. Factors like medication use, existing health conditions, and individual tolerance levels should be carefully considered when incorporating citrus fruits into the diet. Section 4. Navigating the Maze, Studies on Citrus and Diabetes. The relationship between citrus fruit consumption and diabetes is complex. Some studies suggest benefits like improved insulin sensitivity, while others highlight risks such as increased oxidative stress. Study design and population characteristics contribute to these discrepancies. Individualized dietary guidance remains crucial. Work with a healthcare professional to make informed decisions. Section 5, From Pulp to Proof, a need for more research. The citrus fruit and diabetes narrative highlights a crucial point, the need for more research. While we understand the basic mechanisms of how sugar impacts blood glucose levels, the specific interactions between citrus fruits, their various components, and the complex pathophysiology of diabetes require further investigation. Large-scale, long-term studies are needed to clarify the relationship between citrus fruit consumption, diabetes control, and the development of complications. Such research should consider various factors, including fruit type, quantity consumed, individual genetic predispositions, and the role of other dietary and lifestyle factors. Until then, a balanced approach remains key. Enjoying citrus fruits in moderation, choosing low GI options, monitoring blood glucose levels, and working closely with healthcare professionals can help individuals with diabetes reap potential benefits while minimizing potential risks. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed empowers you to make the best choices for your health. Section 1. Sweet Alternatives. Exploring low glycemic fruits. Managing diabetes doesn't mean saying goodbye to the joys of a fruit-filled diet. While some citrus fruits might require a cautious approach, a world of delicious, low-glycemic alternatives awaits. These fruits offer the sweetness and nutritional benefits you crave without the dramatic blood sugar spikes. Berries, for instance, are a diabetic's best friend. These tiny packages pack a powerful punch of antioxidants and fiber, promoting stable blood sugar levels and overall health. Similarly, apples and pears, with their satisfying crunch and low GI scores, provide a safe and enjoyable way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Remember, variety is key. Exploring different fruits allows you to enjoy a diverse nutrient profile while keeping your taste buds excited. The key is to prioritize low GI options and consume them in moderation, always mindful of your individual blood sugar response. Berries deserve a standing ovation in the world of diabetes-friendly fruits. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, each boasting unique flavors and a wealth of health benefits. Their low glycemic index ensures a slow and steady release of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those dreaded blood sugar roller coasters. But their benefits go beyond blood sugar control. Berries are antioxidant powerhouses, fighting oxidative stress and inflammation, two culprits implicated in diabetes complications. Their high fiber content further contributes to stable blood sugar levels and promotes digestive health, an often overlooked aspect of overall well-being. Incorporate berries into your daily routine with ease. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or add them to smoothies, yogurt bowls, or even salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Remember, a handful of berries a day can go a long way in supporting your diabetes management journey. Section 3. Apples and pears, crunchy and diabetes-friendly. Apples and pears, with their satisfying crunch and naturally sweet flavor, offer another excellent option for individuals with diabetes. Their low glycemic index makes them ideal for snacking or incorporating into meals without causing dramatic blood sugar fluctuations. Beyond their low GI scores, apples and pears contribute valuable fiber, particularly when enjoyed with their skin on. Fiber plays a crucial role in slowing down sugar absorption, promoting satiety, and supporting healthy digestion, all essential factors in diabetes management. Enjoy these versatile fruits in countless ways. Slice them into salads, bake them into muffins or crisps, using sugar substitutes of course, or savor them as a grab-and-go snack. Remember, a medium-sized apple or pear makes for a satisfying and blood sugar-friendly treat. Section 4. Avocado, the creamy champion. Avocado, while technically a fruit, often gets categorized as a vegetable due to its savory flavor profile. This creamy delight deserves a special mention in our diabetes-friendly fruit lineup, boasting a unique nutritional profile that sets it apart. Avocado is remarkably low in carbohydrates and contains virtually no sugar, making it an ideal choice for individuals watching their blood sugar levels. Its healthy fat content, primarily monounsaturated fat, promotes satiety, supports heart health, and may even improve insulin sensitivity. Incorporate avocado into your diet with ease. Add slices to salads, sandwiches, or tacos, whip up a batch of guacamole, or enjoy it as a simple and satisfying snack with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Avocado's versatility and exceptional nutritional value make it a true champion for diabetes-friendly eating. Section 5. Building a balanced plate beyond fruit choices. While choosing low glycemic fruits is crucial for managing blood sugar levels, it's only one piece of the puzzle. Building a balanced plate that incorporates all food groups in appropriate portions is essential for overall health and diabetes management. Focus on lean protein sources such as fish, chicken, beans, and lentils to promote satiety and stabilize blood sugar levels. Incorporate plenty of non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and cauliflower, which are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber and essential nutrients. Remember, portion control is key, even with healthy foods. Consulting with a registered dietitian or certified diabetes educator can provide personalized guidance on building a balanced meal plan that meets your individual needs and supports your diabetes management goals. Section 1. The sweet spot. As we've uncovered, the relationship between citrus fruits and diabetes is complex. While bursting with flavor and nutrients, their sugar content, particularly in certain varieties, can pose challenges for blood sugar control. Remember, managing diabetes is a balancing act, and knowledge is your greatest ally. Choose your citrus fruits wisely, opting for low glycemic options like lemons and limes, and enjoy moderate portions of others. Prioritize whole fruits over juices to harness the power of fiber. Most importantly, monitor your blood sugar levels, adjust your diet as needed, and consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. For more insights on navigating the world of nutrition with diabetes, subscribe to Diabetes Daily Dose. Together, let's find your sweet spot for a healthier, happier life.